Dr. Changkuoth, a senior Nuer politician currently serving in the government of President Salva Kiir Mayardit, has recently drawn attention following report that he advised against Nuer community supporting fellow Nuer individuals affected by conflict in areas such as Nasser and Fangak. My name is Changkuoth Nyak and welcome to my YouTube channel. Before we proceed with this report or information, I would like you to help me by subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you. According to sources, Dr. Changkuoth is said to have referred to such support as inappropriate in the context of national governance. This statement comes as communities in Unity State, Upper Nile and Jonglei continue to face insecurity due to ongoing military activities. Additionally, Dr. Changkuoth reportedly remarked that there are two entities above accountability, God and the government. He stated that if either make a decision, it should not be questioned. This remark prompted concern among communities, leaders, youth, and citizens who emphasized the importance of mutual support and accountability in times of hardship. Dr. Changkuoth is also said to have introduced a plan to restructure the administrative setup in Wat by creating 16 Payam administrative division, though no funding or development roadmap was announced. This has led to some question whether the initiative will effectively address the need of the local population or whether it is politically motivated ahead of the 2026 election. Community voice, including civil society members, suggest that administrative change should be guided by clear plan, transparency, and meaningful service delivered to those affected by displacement and limited access to basic needs. Within the Nuer community, both at home and abroad, reaction to Dr. Changkuoth's statement have been mixed. Some community members have expressed disappointment, while others call for constructive dialogue and a unified response to ongoing challenges. A respected elder from Fangak commented, "This time, when community need to come together and support one another, leadership means listening, understanding, and responding to the pain of the people." Dr. Changkuoth's remarks have sparked an important conversation about leadership, unity, and responsibility during a time of national uncertainty. As South Sudan moves toward the 2026 election, it is essential for all political leaders to promote messages that encourage peace, unity, and support for vulnerable population. Well, the country's future depend on the inclusive leadership and commitment to justice, security, and development for all citizens. If you are new to my channel, I would like you to help me by subscribing and by hitting the notification bell, so when I upload a new video, you can be able to be the first to get that video. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.